This is a brand new 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, a car-like ride and space like an SUV. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, a continuous variable transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: speed-sensitive volume controls, a low tire pressure indicator, hill start assist, a leather-wrapped shift knob, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, privacy glass, halogen headlights, air conditioning, and alloy wheels. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
South Suburban Mitsubishi is the #1 volume dealer in the Midwest. Visit us online, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 25963 South Governors Highway, just minutes off I-57 in Monee. Get greater value from the store that gives you more.